Sleek, silent, and sometimes feared, snakes are among the most misunderstood creatures on the planet. But there's far more to them than their reputation suggests. With over 3,000 species slithering across Earth, snakes come in all sizes, colors, and temperaments. From the tiny thread snake, no thicker than a spaghetti noodle, to the enormous green anaconda that can weigh over 200 kilograms, the diversity of snakes is astonishing. Contrary to popular belief, most snakes are non-venomous. In fact, only around 600 species are venomous, and even fewer are harmful to humans. Snakes use venom primarily to subdue prey, not to defend themselves against people. They're far more likely to flee than fight when encountering humans. One of the most fascinating features of snakes is their jaw. Unlike most animals, snakes can unhinge their jaws to swallow prey much larger than their heads. This incredible flexibility comes from ligaments that stretch and separate, allowing the mouth to open wide. Ever wonder how a python swallows a whole deer? That's how. Snakes don't chew, they digest. Their strong stomach acids break down even bones. Depending on the size of the meal, digestion can take hours or even weeks. While some species eat once a week, larger snakes might eat only a few times a year. You might be surprised to know that snakes have no eyelids. Instead, their eyes are protected by a transparent scale called a spectacle. When they shed their skin, they're also replacing this eye covering. Speaking of shedding, snakes regularly molt to allow for growth and to remove parasites. It's a sign of good health. Some snakes, like the rattlesnake, have developed unique warning systems. That famous rattle is a way to say, "Back off." Other species rely on camouflage, blending perfectly into their surroundings to avoid both predators and prey. Snakes also play a vital role in ecosystems. They help control rodent populations, keeping crop-damaging pests in check. Without snakes, many ecosystems would fall out of balance. And did you know that not all snakes lay eggs? While many do, some species give birth to live young. Boa constrictors and garter snakes are examples. The way snakes reproduce depends on their environment and evolutionary adaptations. Despite their bad rap in movies and myths, snakes are not slimy or evil. Their skin is dry and smooth, and their behavior is usually cautious and non-aggressive. The fear many people have of snakes is often learned, not based on real danger. Let's shift the narrative around these remarkable reptiles. If we take time to understand them, we can appreciate their beauty and importance. And remember, the more we learn about nature, the better we protect it. If you're enjoying these fascinating facts and want to see more videos like this, please like, comment, and share. Join our community, subscribe to the channel, and help us grow. We're a family, and your support makes all the difference.